Hi all, welcome to Vision Board community. So today I am inviting to Parthi. So Parthi will be the right person. You can able to get more idea, even if the 4 years of career gap, how the transition, like and you got some offer. I think three offer you got Parthi, right?
Yeah,
I
I
know
got here.
I know you are putting lot of effort. So I think when your words also motivating others, I'm just want to inviting you, share your story and motivate others.
Yeah, so myself, Parthi, I'm from Chennai. Actually, I joined in a batch, eighth batch. Yeah, I have been working as a data analyst in Chennai.
Okay.
I have totally 9 years of work experience. But in 2021 to 2025, I don't have any work experience with any IT companies.
Okay.
Anyhow, I just joined in like I have done a course in data analyst and I joined in a company and I have been working for like around 9 months. And when I joined the company, I thought in data analyst there won't be any scope and all because there is any many like artificial intelligence are coming, chat GP. So there is no scope in data analyst. I thought, and I just thought to learn some. Course like Azure Data Engineer. So
Mhm.
when I scrolling in like in Instagram, I saw the like reel of Devi, and I just got into that, and I just enrolled for eighth batch. Actually, I never attend the live class with Devi. I
Mhm.
just viewed the pre-recorded session. I just bought the eighth batch, and I just viewed the pre-recorded sessions of
Okay.
Devi because while I was working.
Uh-huh.
Uh, that is very good enough for cracking any interview. Like it may be like any tier one company like CTC, Cognizant, any company we can able to easily crack the interviews with the uh, with the content where they is presenting in this batch. And it is very nice actually. They are giving three batch access. Like if you buy eighth batch, you can able to have like two batches for a learning
Exactly,
purpose.
Bharti. I
Yeah,
know, right? Because people need some support. In a single batch, sometimes it will be kind of a difficult. So that is the
yeah,
reason we are a team. Think about okay, we can give at least whatever the recording. If you prepare, you already told me, right? Rather than
yeah,
a live session, you use the pre-recorded. But
yeah,
some support is always we needed, right? People are
yeah,
sharing the like in whatever the job post, or people are sharing some kind of reference. This is good. So that is the
yeah,
reason I always recommending the live. But you told me you enrolled for the live, but you joined like reading about the recording, but you cracked the three offer letter. So
yeah,
that's
exactly.
also amazing job. You put lot of hard work. I can understand the situation also.
Yeah. See, actually, I joined like a great learning. I have paid 1 lakh like 2 years before. I paid 1 lakh and I have enrolled for a data analyst role, and they have told like SQL, Power BI, and Excel. These three things they have charged for 1 lakh like a couple of years ago. But it
Okay.
is really worthy with paying buying this batch like buying this course with vision board. It is really worthy. I can say 100% sure. I can able to crack interview because I have cracked three interviews because of my little backlogs. I didn't able to get two offers, but I have got one offer with 100% hike. It
Mm-hmm.
is
Got it.
really, yeah, because you are supporting like a interview preparation and you are giving questions like company wise questions also you guys are giving. It is really worthy to crack any interview.
Oh, thank you, Parthi. Thanks your word because I can understand, right? If you pay like an 1 or 2 lakhs of rupees, we are getting a very less amount of salary. It will not be worth it. But
Yeah,
we need to support people, right? Everyone need their own desire. You also know, right, Parthi? You are struggle with a little salary, but when
yeah,
you get like and that kind of people will not be afforded. 1 or 2 lakhs of salary is a very big amount.
mm,
So that is the only thing I am asking. At least whatever comments people can able to afford, they get like a maximum offer letter. Maximum. I taken more mock interviews. They are getting like in 5 or 7 or 6 offer letter. Maybe you got an offer letter in the month of December. If you
yeah,
give this podcast in the month of January or February, you will be getting like 10 or 20 offer letter in your hand. I'm pretty sure, Parthi.
yeah,
So I'm also, if you have a will, definitely we are also just waiting for more offer from your end.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and for the one of the thing I'm just telling while learning, right? How you cracked these kind of thing? How is the learning will be started? Any struggles you faced while attending interviews or learning purposes?
Yeah. See, actually, I have started like I never attended the live classes as I told earlier. So what I do while in working in office, there will be some time for me. So at that time, I just uh, what I will do is I will see three recordings per day.
Okay, okay.
3 days recording will be I will cover it within a day. So I
Oh,
will be allocating 4 hours to 5 hours. I push myself hard to cover all this video, and
mm,
next day what I will do is again I will see the same things. So it
okay,
will get memorized. That is the way I just read it. I have covered like within a month. I just cleared all the batch, all classes in that one, some eighth batch, and
okay.
yeah, actually I have attended nearly 15 companies interview.
Uh-huh.
So what I have done is I gathered all the questions.
Hmm.
I gathered all the questions. There are many real-time scenarios. I gathered all the questions and I have prepared on that questions, so I can able to clear. In some companies, they are asking very simple questions only in
Okay.
PySpark and SQL. They are
Uh,
mainly focusing on Windows functions, and you need to write a SQL query as well as PySpark query. That is the thing I have mainly faced. So I can able to crack all the interviews
oh,
after
nice,
that.
nice. I
Yeah,
think there are lot of openings are available, right, in the market. Data
yeah, yeah.
engineering.
Yeah, if you have a minimum 5 years, you will be getting like 60 to 70 calls per day for sure.
That is the same
If,
thing.
yeah, actually, I have I have scared like in November and December there won't be any call flow. But
Ah,
in my case, I'm just getting calls even like I will be getting 30 to 40 calls per day.
I also surprised in the normally every December or November month calls are very less. But this
Yeah,
time everyone, like in last week, five of everyone until the day I'm getting like a lots of calls every day.
yeah.
I
So
think not
actually,
only
there's a huge scope with Azure data engineering.
exactly, because cloud is booming, right? So everyone
Yeah,
wants to move the data. And in the
yeah,
team also, I think like a lot of data engineers needed. You also know that data analysts will not have that much of demand. Maybe
yeah,
less years of people they can hire you, but the experience is increasing. You need to be learn about the data engineering or at least some generative AI or AI stuff also. That
yeah,
is their expectation.
yeah, exactly.
Okay, that is also good. And Parthi, I'm just telling a one of the personal question also. So,
Okay.
what kind of motivation you can give to the people? We know the real struggle, real pain. So, in the next time, I already mentioned, right? When I want to meet you, you want to sitting in a big home with a
Yeah.
visualization and all. So, in this struggle also, what is the driven force you want to? I want to crack. I need 100% hike. So, what is the main thing you always thinking? I know you are push hard from your end.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Before joining the batch, I just saw your reel, and
Okay.
you have given some Insta reel that some person who got a salary, a
Mm.
job which is they never got, like
Ah,
which is never they are expecting that kind of a job or that kind of salary the person is getting. So I
mhm.
just joined your first day of class. Like I have enrolled for a free class on first day, and
Okay.
I got like motivated from you only. Like we can able to do anything only if we focus on the readings, and first thing we need to believe ourselves. Like we can able to do anything. Right. That is really motivated me to do all these things.
Oh, nice, nice. Now you are also kind of a winner party. Maybe
Yeah.
your words also motivate others. So you are
Yeah.
getting like a 70 to 80 calls daily, right? So
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
do not want to fear about. Lots of opportunities are there in the market.
Yeah.
Okay, great. I think thanks, Parthi, for your time. In the next time when you are meeting, you are like and whatever we discussed, right? Same thing. You can
Yeah,
send an
sure.
invitation.
Yeah, sure. I will buy a new home or I will build a new home.
Definitely, definitely, Parthi. Yeah. Thank you so much, Parthi, for your
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Devi. Yeah, bye.